Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Daniel and I'm going to be teaching you how to trim a clip, how to cut a clip, and how to reposition a clip all in Premiere Pro. A small disclaimer is that if you're following on a PC, I am going to be using an Apple computer, so some of the things I show might not be the same, so just be wary of that. Without further ado, let's start with how to trim a clip. Once you have everything set up and you have your sequence ready with a video in your project panel, if you just hover over the end of that video, you'll see a red arrow. Click and drag that left or right. It will allow you to drag inwards until the video ends and outwards to the length of the video that you are using. For this instance, we're using a video that is about 2 seconds and about 5 milliseconds. Just for example, let's cut that down to around where 1 is, because if I do this to the front, you'll see that now I can control where the video itself starts and now where the video itself ends. And I would like this to start where the boy tackles the other one and knocks the ball out. Let's start that there. And now let's make this exactly 1 second. Doing so, I have a clip that I have fully control of and is where I want it to start and end so that it can start the next sequence. Just as an example, let's use the cutting tool next. The cutting tool is the razor. Razor can be used the shortcut C. If you want the pointer again or the moving tool, you can click V. These are just shortcuts. If you want to know them, you don't have to memorize it, just hover over the tool and just learn that way. So C allows you to cut a video. Cutting is a very useful tool. So if I want, I could get this to show me a split cut from the beginning to the end. If I click and delete this and drag over a clip, now instead of showing me a full length, it'll cut to the impact. And that's just an example of the power that the cutting tool has. And throughout all this I've been showing, I've been repositioning these clips. And repositioning is simply just clicking a clip and dragging it to where you want it to be specifically. The only issue with this is if you're not careful with it, you can click, and if you don't put it over, you might put it on top of a video that you've already edited. If you do that, you will delete that previous video. It's no longer there. To get it back, just Command Z and you'll be back at the starting point that you were originally at. It's just something to be wary of. Just to go over everything one more time. Reposition. Razor is cut, and the red arrow, if I go back to the pointer, V, allows me to click and drag the clip. And those are all the tools that I will be showing in this video. So I do hope that this helped you, and thanks for watching. Bye.